Hey friends, welcome to Power BI series by Udaan Analytics. In this Power BI series, we will be covering the Power BI from beginner to advanced level. Before we can start, let me ask you this. Have you ever looked at boring spreadsheets and thought, what I am even looking at? Well, imagine if your data could talk, tell stories, show trends, and help make real decisions. That's the superpower you can unlock with the Power BI, and we will be learning how we can unlock these power within that Power BI. So, let me move to the next slide where we will be learning what is Power BI actually is. So, a Power BI is Microsoft Business Intelligence tools that turns your data into interactive dashboards and reports. It connects to Excel, SQL, websites, APIs, and help you visualize trends with just few clicks. So whether you are a student, job seeker, business owner, or working professional, learning Power BI is like learning to speak the language of data. It helps you turn chaos into clarity. And that exactly what we are going to do in this series. So think of it like a digital workshop. You bring in your raw materials, your data basically, and Power BI gives you all the tools to clean it, to transform it, and to build charts, maps, and stories out of it. Now let's see how Power BI actually helps the real world. So as you can see, one of examples. Let's say you are a sales manager at a growing Indian startup. Every day you get dozens of Excel files, sales by region, by product, by month. Trying to make sense of all that manually is a nightmare, right? But with Power BI, you create a sales performance dashboard that shows how much quantity you have sold, what is total sales, how many total profit we have generated within that year, how our sales is going from year to year. It helps you visualize and take quick decision making and performance. This type of dashboarding is used by managers, the directors to take decisions. Now let's take a public sector example. During COVID-19, we saw dashboards everywhere, like in news, in government website, in newspapers, and even in apps. So Power BI helped track live updates like how many cases were reported, how the trend is rising, or where the deaths rates were lowest. A dashboard like this help officials make decisions faster and smarter. So Power BI wasn't just about chart. It helps save lives. Dashboards give us visibility, not just the data. Now moving forward, why should you learn Power BI? So one more question. Is Power BI is only for the big companies? A big no. Almost every company today wants people who can understand and present data. Power BI is one of the most searched for skills on job portals, especially for the roles like analyst, project manager, data scientist, and even for HR roles. If you know Excel, learning Power BI is just like upgrading from a scooter to a branded car. You can solve real world problems using Power BI. For examples, I have showed you from analyzing sales in a startup to tracking COVID trends, dashboards are everywhere. And if you can build them, you are not just a user, you become a decision maker. So Power BI cost absolutely zero. It just needs your curiosity for the entire course. Let me move to next slide. Hmm. Desktop Power BI desktop versus Power BI service. Now there are two parts to Power BI and people often get confused. So let make it simple. Power BI desktop. This is where you build your dashboard. It is free. It runs on your laptop. It is what we will use throughout this course. Then we have Power BI service. This is the cloud part. You publish your reports here to share them online or collaborate with others. So let's understand this by an example. Think of it like making a cake at home. That's the Power BI desktop and serving it at a party. That is Power BI service. You create here, share there. So, like the next step in the next episode, we will get hands-on. I will show you exactly how we can create a basic dashboards. We can start, but the last but not the least, we can install Power BI and set it up on your PC by this lecture. It takes less than 5 minutes and we will do it together. So you just need to go to Google, search for Power BI for Windows, Power BI desktop, and you can go to the official website that is Microsoft.com. You can go there. You just need to click the download button. So I have already downloaded that. So guys, you can download it from here and install it. I have already installed it, so I'm skipping that part. Let me show you how it look like. I just open Power BI here and I'm just opening a blank report. So this is how it look like. It is all the visualization, all the charts that we can build on our data. We can import data, like these are the various data sources from where we can import the data, Excel, Word, data flow. So in the next episode, we will get hands-on. I will show you exactly how we can utilize all these tools. So, guys, are you excited to learn Power BI with me? If yes, then hit the subscribe button, give this video a like if it helped, and tell me in the comments what kind of dashboard would you love to build? Something for your job, a side project? Let me know. This is just the beginning. We are going to learn by doing with real examples, short projects, and even AI integration in the future videos. Take your first flight with Udaan Analytics, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.